drag it on up to where you think the headquarters cover the north-south shop switch, and we'll see what it looks like back here. I might just have to cut them off there. Alright.
Wonder road? Yeah, wonder what they got going on back there. Ooh.
ESX CTO.
Let's check that. Yeah, he's got cars with him.
Jimmy's left back here, Dan. If you could get on down and get the beers under the barn, that would be okay. What do you think? We close. Okay, well, if worse comes to worse, we'll just back up. I can still do another 10 feet or so if you need it.